great honor for me to present my letter of credential, which His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Cuba, Miguel Mario Díaz-Canel Bermúdez, addressed to Your Excellency, accrediting me as Ambassador, Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Republic of Cuba to the Republic of Cuba. It's also a great honor to present to Your Excellency the letter of recall of my predecessor.
Thank you, sir. Excellency, Néstor Enrique Torres Olivera, I'm pleased to have received your credentials. Welcome also to Ratu. I welcome you most warmly to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a happy and successful mission.